welcome on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and may God bless you. Today I almost made me quit YouTube channel. Yes, I almost feel like quitting my YouTube channel. Creating. It have been very disgusting seeing that you upload a video, you upload a movie or anything, then you see there is no subscribers, you see there is no views. How do you feel as a smaller creator? Yes, you put a video, have no one, even a view one. Please don't lose hope. Please don't lose hope. Be consistent and be patient. Yes, don't enter on YouTube because you are there to make money. Enter on YouTube like a passion. Are you passionate? Are you feeling happy when creating videos? Yes, that will make you very good move, and in future it might be the best video those will be making, or will make you very happy. Yes, don't have high expectation when starting a YouTube channel. YouTube take time and may you be consistent. For example, I started my YouTube channel early on my 20s. I was wondering, what is this YouTube channel for? I had just of 20 subscribers. I never thought of having maybe like 9,000 subscribers. God, I was wondering how. Please don't lose hope if you are a small creator. Be consistent and be creating now and then. Don't quit. This almost made me quit YouTube. By that time, I had no subscribers, I had no views, and I had no watch time hours. I was putting a video, then there was a copyright, all these things. YouTube need consistency and learning each and every time you learn. I had in YouTube and technology, you have to learn every day. Enter on this, look about the tutors we have on YouTube. You learn a lot. Yes, don't lose hope in everything. Please be consistent. One day it will pay. It will pay. Be patient. Yes, I'm tutoring you if you are a young creator. Yes, be consistent and don't lose hope, and don't listen to people what they are saying. If it's a passion, be consistent and follow your dreams. Your dreams one day will come true. Almost make me quit YouTube. It is very easy. You can quit YouTube if you are not careful. When you see no views, no subscribers, no anything. Yes, you have to be consistent and not losing hope.